Today we are looking at the proper installation and use of Safeguard high traction anti-slip walkway covers on a concrete sidewalk. Installation begins by ensuring the underlying substrate is clear of any debris or foreign objects. Position the walkway cover in the installation area. For pre-drilled variants, you may freely mark the anchor locations. For non-pre-drilled variants, you will drill the fastener holes at the corners of the walkway cover, ensuring you are keeping at least 1 inch from each edge. We recommend a sharp black oxide or titanium-coated bit with a center punch to reduce fraying. Once the fastener locations have been marked, in a concrete installation, you will utilize a hammer drill with a suitable drill bit to drill out the opening for the concrete anchors, ensuring you do not over-drill the hole. Once the appropriate depth has been met, be sure to vacuum or blow out any debris that may impede the placement of the anchors. Once all the anchors have been placed, you may reposition the walkway cover and begin drilling in the fasteners. We recommend that you wait to fully tighten any fasteners until each fastener has been inserted and the cover is properly aligned. Once all the fasteners have been started, apply pressure to the walkway cover and fully tighten each fastener until a tight seal is achieved. You have now successfully installed the anti-slip cover over a concrete walkway. Your new Safeguard walkway covers are highly water and oil resistant, providing substantial slip and fall protection for all future foot traffic. For any questions regarding a walkway cover installation or product inquiry, please contact us with the information provided.